YouTube
I look like an
hat mal
idiot,
wieder
but I'm a nice
gesponnen.
guy.
I get so
Trust me.
nervous
Oder
around boys.
die PS4 hat mal irgendeine
I can't tell
Störungen
Mom
wieder
about that
gehabt.
at all. She'd be so mad.
Just for you.
Oh.
Jimmy, you're so nice to me.
Nee. Nee. Hau ab.
You're even better up close.
Boah.
That was nice.
Kick it!
Ih.
I think we can call that a wrap.
Hi.
Mach Platz. Oh.
I've got you in my sights.
This might be useful.
Juhu. Gummibänder. So, sorry Leute.
Why are boys so confusing? I just don't get them.
Oh,
I
me
can't tell
too,
Mom about
Nerd.
that at all. She'd be so mad. Machiavelli's prince is overrated.
Butchen.
Life
Hui.
is so boring.
Hm. Great. Sport. Oh, fuck. Okay. Dann gehen wir mal nach links. Unerlaubtes
Those
Betreten.
other girls are just jealous.
Um 13 Uhr. Ach komm. Dann gehen wir mal besser in den Unterricht.
Evil doer.
Schnell. Nee. Ja?
Sleep with my eyes.
Was soll denn das?
I don't know what to say.
Wo muss ich denn hin? Ach so, Sport
Hey.
oder was? Nein, lauf! Lass mich! Sport 1.
All
right, wimps, it's time for some wrestling instruction. This will require physical contact between you and your opponent. Don't any of you enjoy it?
The strongest boys in all the land, Bullhorn fans, clap your hands!
I'm gonna die of embarrassment.
Bullhorn fans, clap your hands! Yeah!
I have so many years ahead of me. Don't do
I
it.
love the sound of boys hurting each other.
You don't want to
Don't
touch
just
me.
bloody
My
well
smell is
stand there. Do
contagious.
something. That's right, Hopkins. Get close and personal.
My esteem soul any
Hopkins.
lower?
3 Schläge
Please, I have nervous
hintereinander.
bowels.
The strongest boys in all the
You want to fail this class?
I have so many years ahead of me. Don't do it.
That's right, hurt him.
My tender soul crushed.
I thought you were supposed to be tough, Jimmy.
Another crushing blow for Fatty. I'm gonna die of embarrassment.
Bullhorn fans, clap your hands! Yeah!
All right, boys. I want to see you
Shamimi.
sweat.
Ich mach dich fertig.
Bullhorn fans, clap your hands! Yeah!
Wipe that grin off your face, Hopkins. You're not as good as you think.
Yeah.
Ain't no stopping Jimmy Hopkins.
Und ziehen.
Why do I get so nervous around boys? Hey, buddy.
Komm schon.
Man, this itch won't
I wanna
stop.
be cinematographer. I hope they didn't think I looked like a girl.
So, jetzt gehe ich noch kurz speichern. Und dann war's das mal wieder für diesen Part. Und dann geht es morgen sicherlich wieder weiter. Weil es ja auch schon zu spät.
Don't speak.
Ja Leute, dann würde ich euch wünschen noch einen schönen Morgen. Haut rein. Man hört sich dann, sieht sich dann. Bis dann.